One, so this is a lookalike of Jesus Christ.
No,
Since when?
no. Actually, I just follow my conscience. It happens to remind people, but I'm not trying to look like.
But you look like Jesus Christ, and you are walking barefoot before. I saw you in the old city.
I lived this way 33 years.
Oh, really? 33 years, and you've been here in Israel before as a tourist, or you born in here?
No, I've been here most of 17 years now.
And where you from originally?
Detroit, the U.S.
U.S. And you're doing this just for the reflection of our Jesus Christ?
No. I'm all about following Jesus, but that includes a way of life like he lived. Totally poor, simple, and that includes simple clothing. That's why I look the way that I look.
Yeah, Jesus is so simple in the first place. Yes. And you've been, where do you live in the first place? In the old city?
I live in the Holy Sepulchre. And I live outside. If I'm not in the church, which I am half the time, but on the roof of the Holy Sepulchre outside.
And you are permanent resident in here?
No.
As you still a tourist, or?
I mean, it's been 17 years.
Okay. So thank you so much. What's your name again?
James.
James? So your real name is James. James. Nice to meet you. I'm Chris, by the way. Yes. So before I posted you in YouTube and also in my Facebook channel. So there's a lot of people asking me who you are in the first place, and mostly they are commenting about you look like definitely like 90% look like Jesus Christ. So
I am all about Jesus, of course.
Yes.
That is what it's all about.
Thank you so much, James.